Merry Christmas. To me. I might as well buy myself something, no one else will. Meanwhile, if you're a new subscriber or you haven't been here before, welcome along to one amateur build of a piece of crap that really was destined for the scrap heap. But I thought I'd give it a shot. So at the moment we're looking at an impromptu cat flap. And the reason all that lot's in there is because I've just removed that piece of crap. I mean, look at that, eh? So yeah, that was quietly rusting away down there. And now when we go down there, we've got this. Now I have spent the last couple of hours moving a GoPro around and filming this blow by blow, cut by cut, swear language by swear language, which of course I was going to try and put some music over the top. I've just gone in and downloaded it all onto the laptop, and now none of it will play. I can't throw another laptop at the wall. But anyway, when I go back in later, he says, inching his way through the gravel. When I go back in later, if I can't get any of it to play, we shall just have to revert to using this one. So, whoops. This, he says, using one hand, is where we're at. Oh, struggling to use one hand. You'll have to, oh no, there we go. It's just, it's about where it wants to be there. Right, I've got to bang it with a hammer now. Hold on. I think the floor's oil canned. Get in there, you tinker. So yeah, remember I got this little flange on the other one to line up, and somewhere down there, you're going to see this better than I am because I'm not going to crawl under there, but somewhere inside there should be the jig hole from the previous chassis rail. So in effect now, that was a single skin running out to the spring hanger before, but as it is, that'll turn into a double skin now, so that'll give that a bit more beef. There's my inner skin up here, so there's my beef there. Oh no, I'm pointing at the wrong bit. I'm looking at the camera, I'm pointing at the wrong bit. There's my inner skin there, so we'll weld that in. I think I'll probably just butt it over its, and lap it over itself. And when I fold this lot back here, there's probably enough meat left to cut it back and join it to the other skin, so there won't be two joins in that. So that kind of looks, coupled with the spot welds that are ready to go in, that kind of looks like it's going to give me quite a substantial spring hanger. So I'll have a go at trying to film that on the GoPro, but for some reason it ain't playing. So if it ain't playing, you'll just have to put up with what I'm showing you here, and I'll just have to keep bunging it up in 1 minute bloody episodes like I've been doing so far. So let's get on with a bit more work and catch up with you a lot later.